Maven is one of the widely used build automation tool for Java projects. That's the reason there are many courses which talks about Maven as a developer point of view. Apart from developer, DevOps engineer also use Maven. But there is no clear information about what kind of activities a DevOps engineer can take care of while using Maven. That motivates me to create this Maven course. Welcome to my new course, Maven for DevOps engineers. In this course, I'm going to talk about Maven as a DevOps engineer point of view. By enrolling to this course, you are going to learn how a developer use Maven, activities of a DevOps engineer on Maven, nothing but what kind of activities he can take care, building Java projects using Maven, and also you are going to learn how to set up Maven and integrating Maven with Jenkins. Hope these concepts help you to use Maven efficiently in your DevOps workflow. In next lecture, we are going to see concepts which do we cover as part of this training. Thanks for watching and I'm excited to see you in the course.